Good morning to everyone. At today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission, established under Law 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the commission, and I declare this session open. This hearing is being conducted under the commission's rules of organization and functioning as part of the evaluation process. The subject of today's hearing is Mr. Ion Munteanu, a candidate for the position of judge on the Supreme Court of Justice. The evaluation in relation to Mr. Munteanu was carried out pursuant to Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. Mr. Munteanu is currently the Interim Prosecutor General. From 2021 to 2022, he was the Interim Deputy Chief Prosecutor of the Anti-Corruption Prosecution Office. He previously was a prosecutor in that office for 13 years and for the Chisinau Prosecution's Office Central Region for 3 years. Mr. Munteanu, welcome, and I apologize if I stumble over pronouncing your name.
Bună ziua, mulțumesc pentru invitație, este tot în regulă.
So I'm joined by 4 other commission members. You will see in our video meeting Vice Chair Andre Bevel and commission members Lillian Anshu, Yuri Gatskin, and Lavely Perling. Commission member Giuliana Civanini is absent from today's session. The commission is also assisted by members of its secretariat, and you will see with you in the hearing room representatives of the media and the public. A photographer may have taken some pictures briefly at the start of the hearing. The hearing will be conducted with interpretation between Romanian and English. To allow for accurate interpretation, I ask that everyone speak clearly and slowly. Only one person should speak at a time. The proceedings are being recorded. The recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally will be available online at the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu, within 3 days after the hearing. I will start today's hearing by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Mr. Munteanu. The Commission initiated its evaluation on the 24th of August, 2023, by notifying him by email and asking him to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law Number 65. Mr. Munteanu returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on the 1st of September, 2023. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspector of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses information it obtains for its relevance and reliability. On the 8th of December 2023, the Commission asked Mr. Munteanu to provide additional information by the 15th of December to clarify certain matters. He submitted his answers on time. On the 11th of January 2024, the Commission asked Mr. Munteanu to clarify additional matters and to submit his answers by the 17th of January. He provided answers by the requested deadline. On the 22nd of February 2024, we notified Mr. Munteanu that the Commission had finalized its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubts about his compliance with the ethical and financial criteria. The Commission also invited him to attend today's hearing. According to Article 22, Paragraph 3 of Law 65, Commission's rules, if the Commission, based on the information collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send the subject a written notice and set a hearing at least 10 days later, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information provided. The Commission will also announce that absent its receipt of new information, it will adopt an evaluation report containing the proposal for promotion. Mr. Munteanu, do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers you've provided to the Commission's requests for information?
Nu am careva întrebări sau
I do not
suplimentar
have
să declar
any
altceva, doar vreau să
questions or
confirm
anything
încă o dată
additional
că
that
am
I would
depus
like to
maximă
declare. I
diligență,
would like to
maxim
declare
efort pentru a
once
răspunde
more that
competent
I
și
have
maxim de
most
corect la toate
diligently
întrebările
tried
adresate de
to answer
comisie.
most correctly to all
La
the
fel, am
questions
încercat
addressed by
să
the Commission.
fac
As
solicitări către
well, I
autoritățile
have
competente pentru a primi
tried or I
informații care,
have
în opinia mea,
requested
sunt
from the
utile comisiei
competent
pentru
authorities to
soluționarea
provide
sau pentru
information that are
examinarea
useful for the community
eticii sau integrității mele din punct de
to
vedere financiar și etic.
evaluate
La
my
moment confirm că
integrity
totul,
and ethics,
corectitudinea informațiilor prezentate,
the
altceva
correctness of
suplimentar
the
nu am
presented
declarat.
information. I declare now, and I do not have anything additional to declare.
Thank you. Are your answers provided to the Commission and the information that you provided in the 5-year declaration and the ethics questionnaire that you returned on the 1st of September 2023 still accurate as of today?
Da, absolut toate nu sunt schimbări, absolut toate
Yes,
datele care le-am
absolutely.
prezentat
All
sunt actuale
data
și pentru
presented
momentul
are
de
valid
azi.
for today as well.
Mr. Munteanu, would you like to make a brief statement before we conclude today's hearing?
Vreau doar să aduc
I
mulțumiri
would
comisiei
only
pentru
like
efort și pentru
to
implicarea
say
în
thank you to the Commission
efectiv
for their effort,
identificarea celor
for the
mai buni
involvement,
și integri candidați
for
pentru
the
o înaltă
identification
funcție
of
în
the
Curtea
best
Supremă
and
de
most
Justiție. Mulțumesc
candidates that
pentru
have
răbdarea de a
integrity.
intra în esența
Thank you
celor
kindly for your
declarate de mine în
patience
cadrul
to
rundilor de
go in
întrebări
depth into everything that I
și îmi
have
exprim încă o
declared
dată
during
aprecierea
the
față
rounds
de
of
efortul
questions, and
comisiei
I once
pentru
more
a construi
express
statul
my
de drept în Moldova.
appreciation to
Vă
the
mulțumesc
Commission
mult încă o dată.
to build the proper rule of law here in Moldova. Thank you kindly.
We have come to the end of today's hearing. Mr. Munteanu, thank you again for your submissions and your answers to the Commission's questions. After the hearing, the Commission will approve an evaluation report stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law Number 65. The Commission will strive to complete its evaluation report and announce its conclusion as soon as possible. It generally seeks to do so within a month after a subject's public hearing. This hearing is now closed.